Welcome back to a car chaser. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 3000 GT VR4 sports a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that pays homage to its iconic predecessor while incorporating modern elements. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights and a bold grille that exudes aggression. The body lines are sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, and the rear has an eye-catching spoiler that enhances its sporty appearance and improves downforce at high speeds. Available in a range of vibrant colors, including a striking Mitsubishi red, a classy steel gray, and a deep midnight blue, this car is sure to turn heads on the road. Now, let's talk about the wheels. The 2025 3000 GT VR4 comes standard with 19-inch alloy rims, finished in the sleek gunmetal gray that perfectly complements the car's aggressive stance. The rims feature a multi-spoke design, enhancing both aesthetics and performance by reducing unsprung weight. Wrapped around these rims are high-performance 255 after R19 tires at the front and 275 35ZR19 tires at the rear. This tire setup provides optimal grip, ensuring that the VR4 remains planted during spirited driving and cornering. Now, let's talk performance. The heart of the 2025 3000 GT VR4 is a twin-turbocharged V6 engine delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission and Mitsubishi's renowned all-wheel drive system. This car promises exceptional handling and acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds, making it a formidable competitor in the sports car segment. On the road, the VR4 offers a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. The adaptive suspension adjusts to different driving conditions, allowing for both comfortable cruising and dynamic cornering, with features like launch control and selectable driving modes. Ranging from eco to sport, you can tailor your driving experience to match your mood, whether you're looking for a leisurely drive or an adrenaline-pumping ride. Moving on to the interior, Mitsubishi has packed the cabin with cutting-edge technology and premium materials. The driver-centric cockpit includes a digital dashboard that displays vital information clearly and intuitively. Leather-trimmed seats with contrasting stitching provide both comfort and support, perfect for those long drives or spirited outing. The infotainment system features a large 10-inch touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, and a 12-speaker premium sound system, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as it is exhilarating. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 3000 GT VR4 comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Mitsubishi's commitment to safety ensures that you can enjoy the thrill of driving without compromising peace of mind. As for pricing, the 2025 Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4 is expected to start around $50,000, with higher trims featuring additional luxury and performance enhancements, potentially reaching up to $60,000. This makes it a competitive option in the luxury sports car market, especially given its blend of iconic styling, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance. Thanks for joining me today on A Car Chaser. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive. What do you think of the new 3000 GT VR4? Let me know in the comments below.